Hello, 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 world. Thanks for coming on by, folks. Advent of Code Day 11 is mere 2 minutes away. Got my Quokka set up, my TypeScript template, reading from a empty input file. First running on this hard-coded string, which will be my example. And yeah, that is the gist. Obviously, did not have time or the energy to do a visualization today. Probably won't this stream either. They'll show up when they show up. The challenge is to have a visualization per day, not to actually do one a day. And yeah, appreciate anyone who's coming on by, as we are 1 minute out. But I do have an idea to visualize all of them, especially the last one, which was in itself already a visualization. So, now where is it? There we go. So obviously visualizing this, visualizing the three currently being targeted sprite character things, and probably some kind of dashboard showing the cycle and all that stuff would be a cool dashy visualization. Hey, Ryan, thanks for coming on by. You too, Alvy. Hope your weekend's been treating you well. And here we go. Close those two files. Day 11. Oh, great. Lots of stuff going on here. We got monkeys, apparently. My word, that is quite the parsing I've ever seen, so. Okay, I think I can actually understand that. Let's not go full screen. Let's try it out. Whoa, pizza. Thanks for that Prime Gaming subscription. Spend them Bezos bucks, folks. I appreciate that. You didn't have to, though. More than happy with that, but I do greatly appreciate it there, pizza. as Meinolf would say, keep Bezos from getting to space. Yeah, so we got this code here. I haven't actually been thinking thoughts. So for every parsing, we need to initialize value, figure out this parsing, and do logic. Wow, this is some logic. Logic. Oh, lordy. Wow. Okay. Oh, 79 multiplied by 19 to this. Okay, understandable. Monkey. Wow. This is a lot. Yeah, there's a lot of reading here, Ryan, for sure. Wow. Yeah. Whew, I gotta think about this. 5 times what it was. Okay, so to the next, after each monkey inspects it, but before it tests it, your relief that the inspection didn't, divide by 3. Ah, hard rule here. Again, this is similar to the last one. Lots of cycles and actions during cycles, so. Yeah, I'm definitely not enough to figure this out, or not enough to get fast on this. But let's start parsing this. Data split, monkey number. Hey, good midnight to you too, DN Bull. Monkey and then space. I'm trying pizza. Low bandwidth on the brain today. Slice 0. No, that's not even how that works. Dot slice 1. I'm trying. My brain. We got monkeys. Makes us think of a certain someone, huh? Pizza Pizza. One who's been on the Discord recently. Monkey as a pet. Imagine that. There we go. yeah. I saw them. So const index equals data dot split by this colon 0. Lots of parsing. yeah. Okay, and then const starting items data split. Well, it's not 0, it's 1 here. Starting items is 2 here. Split by comma, map, parse int. That should work. Const operation equals old. So I guess this is parsing here. Data split colon 3. Test 4, but it's not divisible. Is it always divisible? Divisible. Okay, so it's always. Hold on, please, Quack. I don't want to give you money right now. Yeah, it is the word divisible. Okay, so I can get that. Divisible by 1, and then go ahead and parse in that. Const true result equals throw to monkey that one. False result, throw to monkey that one. Great, I think I got that figured out. Return all of these things. On Copilot. Yeah. Okay, I think that's the parsing, so monkeys, plural s. There we go, let's read the top one. Starting items, well, okay, that's wrong. Index, so 79, 798. Doing this on data, aren't I? Yes, I am. Fix that. Now the index is 0 split. See if the first monkey looks alright. 0, 79, 78. Gotta do some trimming here. Split on the new line for operations. Zero dot trim. Starting items. Let's get this index as a number. New equals old. Great. Test is failing. So divisible by space. Nope. Divisible by. Let's drop the number, see what our value is. Test. We need to use parse int because it's much more friendly. Do it for these two also. No. I think it's harder than that one, Pizza Pizza, unfortunately. A lot of logic dancing around. Okay, so we have this working. Now let's figure out what we're supposed to do. Okay, each monkey has several attributes, or if each is currently holding in the order they'll be inspected. After, but before. Okay. Specs an item, specs an item. Now, are they sequential or asynchronous? After round 1. So we go 1 round through all the monkeys. Gotcha. Okay, so what do we do until how many rounds? What do we do? Chasing all the monkeys, you're going to have to focus on the 2 most active. Count the total number of items the monkey inspects over 20 rounds. So 20 rounds. For let r equals 0, r less than 20, r plus plus. So 20 rounds. We're also going to keep track of inspected count 0. Great, and then it's going to be for const monkey of monkeys and start the logic. Okay, so starting items 79.98. 79. Okay, so we are unshifting them. So const item equals monkey or monkey items. Starting items unshift. Nope, shift. Taking the first item out. And we're saying, hey, if Item triple equals undefined. Move on. We didn't have one. Otherwise, increase the inspected count and... Oh, here we go. Okay. Worry levels multiplied by 19. Okay, so first we can logic this. New worry equals template literal, so that is eval. But a string here where we take monkey operation dot replace old with the item. That's right. Okay, and this part where we don't say new equals, so whatever that code is, trim that off. Whereas my operation split, great. Monkey dot split new equal one trim should be the trick. Oh, monkey is okay. We'll figure it out. Monkeys. Okay, something's on fire here. Lost on my parentheses. There we go. So new worry is this. If it's not... so if false, if true. Okay, so if new worry divisible monkey... No, not monkey test. True. No, wait. Yeah, if monkey test. Test. Nope, not test. Jess is trying to get in here. No, get out of here. Not monitor event loop. Monkey. Dot test. Get all these imports out. There you go. So if you're divisible by the test, specifically equals triple equals 0, then we're going to say, there you go. Push that to that one. Else, push it to the false monkey. Let's try to read these monkeys' data again. Great. We're not splitting by the new line. Split new line 0 trim. Wait, is it always something? Oh yeah, it can be anything technically. Failure to do this. Split 1 split new line 0. Trim is not a function. Trim split trim update. Get up, wake up, Quokka. Thank you. Quokka sometimes desyncs. There you go. Seems like the correct one. Oh, we always have old in here. Replace all. Thank you very much. Or don't be regexy about it because I'm using the wrong version of something. Replace all the olds. Great. Now what are we supposed to do? 2 most active monkeys. What is the level of monkey business by multiplying together? So cost monkeys equals monkeys. Nope, not monitor, freaking event. Monkeys dot sort A B. Then we want highest to lowest, so B. Thank you. Slice. No, not that. Turn active monkeys 0 dot expected count times active monkeys 1 expected count. Don't even know the correct value. Well, that's not right. Multiplying these together. Well, I've already can see it's wrong. It's 400. So let's look at monkeys at the end of this. Wow, you still got a few items. Expected count. My inspected count is not correct. After the holding items of 4 levels, 2 and 3 aren't holding. Continues. Inspected items. My incrementing is being done wrong. For every monkey that inspects an item for 20 rounds. Not sure. Oh, wait a minute. Monkey true result. Are these in order? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm lucked out there. This push is correct. Shift is correct. Expected count is incrementing. 20, 20, 4, 20. What is a round? The round 2. Monkeys are holding Okay, let's look at monkeys after round 1. 20, 23, 27, 26. That's not that at all. Well, I'm looking at literally every monkey. R is less than 1. There you go, you only go 1 round. 96, 98. Let's look at old monkeys. We have old monkeys right here. 79, 98. First round process as follows. Specs. So why does monkey 1 do so much work? How much stuff does monkey 1 even have? 4 things. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 does 3. Oh, every round they go through all of their items. Gotcha. It's not 1 item per round. Nope, not 120. 20. 20. While monkeys got starting items. So while you got items, just keep on going through them. Why is this? Why you do this? Why the item is fine. 10197. Great, so that is practically a typo. Active monkeys. 103. 99. You didn't go enough rounds. 1-1. Nope, you went too many rounds. Nope. Okay. After round 20, they're holding. So monkey 0. Let's look at monkey 0. Yeah, this logic got real big and real small real quick. So someone is doing bad math. So let's look at monkey round 1. Turn. I'll make sure math is correct there. So after round 1, 60, 70, 80, 80. Nope, after round 1, that's not right. 70. So 3, yeah, 2 and 3 literally don't do nothing. Expected. If true, throw to monkey 0, throw to monkey 1. These are all correct. Ah, here it is. After each inspection, after inspect before test, divide by 3 and round down. So, after inspect, before test. This is inspect, this is test. So, old new worry, const new worry equals old new worry, divide 3 rounded down. That's where my math got all crazy, apparently. We good. Drop my early return. Great, it's working. That's hopefully top 10. Wow, 270. Actually good. So void fact no longer cause your worry to be divided by 3. Beliefs keeping from reaching ridiculous. Find another to keep manageable. 10,000 rounds. Still figure out after 10,000 using same example. Great, so I have to figure out how to store big numbers basically. Copy this. Great. Grab solve 1. Copy its values. Just use BigInt. Maybe the solution's use BigInt, right? That's always a good JavaScript solution. So 20. 10,000 rounds. Don't do the 3 division. New worry equals old new worry. Yep, and big numbers are not. Show error. Show error. Yeah, the rounding got all bad. Math pain. That's right, pizza. Fortunately, I think. Let's actually see. Yeah, because it's the counts, right? Another way to keep my worries manageable. Big int has got to be the solution. So let's see if I can luck out. I don't know what operations are being applied, but I think I might be able to figure them out. I don't remember them, that is. I guess I can hard code all 3 of these. So I guess we'll start storing things as big ints. I think that's how we do it. Or is it? Nope, it's not like that. And don't use this every day. No, the true result and false result. No, don't do that. Big int, I guess I'm going to have to do that, but all of these can be big inted. Great, now we'll find in the first error. Big int and number have no overlap equals big int is 0. Cannot mix big int other times. Use explicit conversion. JS is big int visible or big int modulus. There you go. Oh, I just have to use the literal syntax. Forgot about that. Monkey test. Tell me new worry. Ah, that got turned into a number. So I'll have to say return old, replace with technically item to string, but it needs to be template literal. Also, the value needs to be swapped out. So let's fix this entirely. So yeah, that's full op. Full operation. Let's look at our monkeys again. It's symbol and thing. Got it. Operation and operation number. Cost operation equals full operation. Just give me the 0th. And then cost operation number equals. Thank you, big int. We love big int. Big int works great. Now with that, the number nan cannot be what is to slice 1. Oh, the word old. Great. Great. That's right. It's not always just that. So left and right. I'll just have to replace all numbers with a big int conversion or with a prefix. There we go. Full operation dot replace and a regex grouping digit any count globally replace with thank you Copilot. I guess we'll just call you back to operation. Should be significant or fine enough. Great, let's look at our monkeys. There we go, that should be functional. Now I replace old with the same thing. Plus old with big int, parenthesis, plus closing parenthesis. Where's what's missing? Quokka wake up? Nope, Quokka not wake up. Let's see what we're trying to do here. This is my string. Console log, the lovely string. We love string. Show string. Why you know show string? Oh, because literally they're all... Oh, wait. What do I have? Number infinity cannot be converted to big int because it's not an integer. Great. Big int to string. Big int does have the string. Specified radix, right? Does have that. I guess we're gonna show Quokka has failed the boat here. Drop this. The number of infinity. drop this console. We have a lot of fun mods up here. That's probably not helping it. There we go. We should be cleaned up enough to read my code. This one's too much, apparently. Just show the operation. Okay, we're gonna have to do this manually. DS node solve. Any point you can start console logging Copilot. There it is, old plus big int plus 3. Okay, let's literally see the operation. So, RIP Quokka, we're doing it manually and live. Great. Big int giant number plus big int 3 cannot be infinity. Okay, great. So I gotta find a bit. This mathematical trick of big int, obviously, it's not getting me past the bounds. We're going to. This might be a language limitation, though there's gotta be a way of doing this. Doing this in JavaScript might not be. It's gotta be evaluable. Okay, wait, I'm doing conversions. I can literally run JavaScript in here. What I need to do is say, like I need to literally run JavaScript. Let val. And in here, I need to basically evaluate val equals plus, and instead of old, so I'll say cost old equals item. It gives me the value. Literally run monkey operation. Ditch that log. Then let this one be val. New reward is possibly undefined. Okay, shut up about that. Val equals monkey operation. Let's go ahead and console log this. Oh, great. So TypeScript is literally being our problem. Not available when targeting use. Stunning. Let's run code. Okay, so now we're running all the stuff. Let's see if we actually get an output here. Hopefully, did I turn something off? No, we're just running lots of code now. Okay, stop the console. Drop this. Drop this. I mean, actually bring that back up. Turn off Quokka while we're here. I know this 10,000 is just begging to be optimized in some way, but I don't see it. Okay, anything else I left in here bad? Nope, just gonna be a brute. Okay, letting that spin off as we go back and see. Find another way. I don't have any other. Oh, so that was part 1, not part 2. Ha. Trying to think. Yeah, this is going too big of numbers. Wait a minute. A new way to keep modulus. If I modulo around it something. So modulo would be able to keep the numbers low, which would avoid the big int. Too much may make it faster. I don't know if the 10,000 is gonna get any better though. What would I modulo it for, though? Because whatever it would need to be, it would need to be divisible by all the things. So something that is a common divisor factor? What's the math word? It's the test, yeah. A multiple. Still running, huh? Excuse me. 23 times 19 times 13 times 17. Now these are all divisible by their counterparts, right? Or their what they're made of. Yeah, because this is what I care about, these test functions. Okay, yeah, so every one of these, I modulo them by the product, or whatever that's called, of all these tests. Mod equals monkeys reduce a b a. I know how to do this. A times b initialize with 1. Oh, these are monkeys. Dot test. Cannot be doing big int. Okay, I've converted everything to big int. Hopefully this doesn't. Big int isn't gonna hurt me more than help me at this point. Still running over there. Nice to know. J big int. No, just the normal big int. Now I'll need to figure out when I modulo these back around. So right now I'm saying items. So I update the value, then I do the test. So I've updated the value. What do you say? Val equals val mod. No, I do that before. Nope, put it in the wrong spot. Or I can say this mod or whatever. That keeps him from going big, I guess. I don't see that making it faster. I mean, it allows me to drop big int, which I suppose is my performance gain. So let's drop all the big ints. Actually, I can leave the parentheses. Congratulations. Yeah, I'll just leave all this. Drop, 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 and drop, drop, drop. One regex won't hurt anyone. Actually, leave. In case this is a bad idea. Let's turn Quokka back on. Because if anything's gonna go fast, Quokka would be letting us know. Oh, there it was. Don't use freaking big int. Oh, okay, still in the top 1,000. 646. Yeah, I shouldn't have went for big int. Should have thought of the math way about it. Yeah, we got through it, folks. Freaking math, and more math. Extra big int. Unfortunately, not pizza. So the thing was, the number literally went past infinity, like too large for JavaScript to even hold in memory. So what I needed to do, and this was a math thing, it just came to me, because as you saw, I kind of figured it out manually. If you multiply a bunch of things together, so the product of a bunch of integers is still divisible by each of those integers. So that was the math that allowed me to keep it going, because all I cared about a number was its divisibility by another number. So just a math gotcha, unfortunately. But yeah, we made it. And hey, Naruto, hello. Look, Big Int is still going. It's still going. I'm gonna leave it there, just see if it finishes by the end of stream. But yeah, with that, I'm gonna definitely make a lovely commit here and see what optimizations can be made. I was surprised at getting two hundreds on the board because I did not feel the energy on it. There we go. Well, as for visualization on this, considering there are 10,000 rounds, I don't really know if any visualization is going to be interesting to look at. Some kind of visualized factorial thing might work. So, like, if there are, how would I do this? I guess I'd do it vertically, right? Yeah, I guess I do it vertically for 4, 5, 6, 7. Then each of these would have things of numbers on top of them. 1, 2, 3. And they would be a kind of like, I'm running out of real estate here. Yeah, it would go through an item and kind of like make the multiplication change to it. So it'll change the item, then it'll test it, and then I guess the animation would be the vector, the path. So I'd create a path from wherever this position is on the DOM to the highest number of view, and it would, woo, cute little animation, loop over there, probably ease in, ease out to make it look nice. And that would run for all of them. Now, I don't know, I guess for round 1 it would be a manual thing. Like, it would be at normal speed, and then it would be at like 0 milliseconds for the rest of them, and then last round. Finally, and then, yeah, I guess each of them would have a process counter, P plus or something. Oh, no, not really. Don't really see any educational value or insight from that animation, so definitely on the lower of the totem pole. Yeah, let's get this code optimized. So first, the monkey parts. Well, actually, a lot of this. Let's see if we can use part 1 on part 2. Because I liked the eval not using it too scarily. And it was basically the same, minus the big int intrusion and the mod. So let's see if we can do that. All I gotta do is say %mod, and it will work. The replace is a little painful, but it's more secure, which I'm happy to do. All I gotta do is say %mod when I get to that point. Do my monkey parsing correctly. There you go. New worry equals this. No longer this. Const new worry. No. New worry. Thank you. Ah, got math wrong, cuz 10,000. Thank you, Copilot. Okay, so literally 2 lines change. The mod and the round count. So this can definitely be thrown into a super generic function. Function simulate monkeys. Now, one parameter is rounds, lovely number. And next is what they like to call manage frustration. Manage frustration, and it's a function that takes a frustration number and returns another number. Ta-da! There we go. So here's our lovely round counter. Figure this out. Rounds. There we go. Then const new worry equals manage frustration old new worry. Awesome. Now for part 1, well, I just kind of put that in there. It's okay. Function solve 1 data string return Simulate monkeys, 20, and the floor. Floor 3. Come on, there we go. Let's not forget our little any, at least keep our templates cool. Solve 2 is 10,000. And modulo, actually I gotta figure this part out. That's okay, we can still use this. Yeah, so we'll just break it into 2. Parse monkeys and simulate monkeys. Monkeys equals data string does this horrible string parser right here. Lovely. Simulate monkeys, you take monkeys, which is an array of monkeys, I guess. Which I guess I'll put in a type definition real soon. Parse monkeys data. Boom. So part 1 still untouched. Part 2, however, cost monkeys equals thank you. Calculate the mod and then return simulate monkeys, the same monkeys, 10,000 and frustration over modulus. Great, now we gotta fix our curly braces, wherever they be. That's where our problem is. So first, one line. We love a one-liner. Or interface. Monkey. And let's start getting through here. Okay, so we didn't need the index after all, so toodaloo to you. Starting items can just be renamed to items. Operation is correct, test, true monkey, and false monkey, and inspected count can literally just be inspected. Great, so items is a number array, operations, lovely string, test is a number, true monkey number, false monkey number, and inspected number. Nice, so this returns a monkey array. Good, now we can, looks like types have already gotten up on that. Both simulates are still working. Yeah, this is the best way of looping through this, or I could for loop, but let's actually see how it would work. For cost item of monkey items, and we'll just, that's what tests are for, folks. Infinite loop, I think. Yep, that's an infinite loop if I've ever seen one. Whenever Quokka goes quiet, that's when you know you infinited it. Come back, Quokka. Stop. Get out of that loop. Thank you. So, pull out the item, add to inspected, old new worry, new worry. This we can obviously inline. Eval monkey operation, replace old with the new item. Not using evals, optimization here. So we'll move that up there, keep it straightforward. We only need the item there apparently. Thank you. New worry, and then this is our ternary. So it will be monkeys. And then not this one, it'll be this lovely ternary. This will be monkey index. Const new monkey index equals the ternary, true monkey or false monkey. Lovely. And we can directly do that without an if statement. You can almost do that without declaring a variable. But I would like to, maybe I don't want to maintain readability. You ever think about that? Yeah, no one needs to read this code. This code ain't for reading. I mean, it should be a little readable. Yeah, I'll take out more lines, but that do be working. The new worry is this value. There you go, it's still somewhat. Nope, we need that apparently. You know, let's make it a variable. This was not worth the sacrifice. Boop, there it is, new monkey index. And then for this, we can trim this down real too. Slice 0, 2, reduce AB. No, we're multiplying. Reduce AB, A times, or A inspected. Inspected times B inspected 0. So I guess it's A just times B inspected. Then we return this lovely number. Still all passing. Okay, this is pretty good optimization. All of these variables can be directly inlined. Do I pull out the terrifying regex? This bottom half is always the same. This part's a little different though. So is this. So no, I will not pull out the terrifying regex. I will inline these. Parse in is gonna stay because it works. And we're dealing with a fair amount of string starters and such. This can even move one line further, I bet. Oh, missing all my commas. There we go. Yep, one line and even further beyond. Drop that, drop. Oh, indent that. And then dedent all of my lovely children. Lovely formatting. And this is good. Yeah, even further beyond. Yeah, just making it that much more concise by someone's definition, someone being moi. Yeah, this. Oh, I broke it. I broke it real good. Maybe this was. I just touched this code. Gotta be this. Super Saiyan 3. Yeah, pizza. So I was working a moment ago. Is it this? Nope, okay. Gotta be one of these changes. Was it this? Nope. Was it this? Come on, you. Okay, this was it. That was it. Good luck on that one, yeah. Parse and floating point number. Reduce AB. There it is. Whenever you do multiplication reduce, you got to make sure it's by the 1. Then it's accumulator. Anytime VS Code. By monkey. Interesting. Okay, so I goofed this up. Please show message. I mean, we'll just say A plus B to get the ball rolling. 207, as expected. There you go. Quack had to do a little wakey. And yeah, with that, oh, I got these extra parentheses here. Okay, with that, we can make that a commit. And optimize. A11 solution. There we go. Let's go check out I think modulo is the way to do it because I figured that part mathematically out. But I'm curious to see if there are any other ways to reduce the thing. Java. Let's hit up top. Newlith. Oh, this person. Hey, we'll have a good eval. Dreaded exec. Okay, let's check out the top one, I guess. Mod by the LCM of the monkey's divisibility values. The least common multiplier. Huh, that's what it's called. Wow, reading these paste give me a vision. Oh, GCD, greatest common divisor. Divisor, whatever. Huh. Okay, yeah. I still don't know what this thing's called, but it was mod, it seems to be. Eval. I think everyone used eval, right? The module immediately. Ah, that sucks. Ooh, a TypeScript. We love a good TypeScript. Yep, I got that part one messed up on me too. Okay. LCM. Least common multiplier. What do you know? Hey, don't worry, Naruto. Actually, we're ending soon. We are ending stream relatively soon. So that break will definitely be happening. Eval, yeah, eval's the answer to all of them. I mean, I guess manually parping out the operations, but like, we ain't here for type safety. We're here for speed. Up there's modulo n, and what did you set n as? N multiply equals test. Oh, okay. So yeah, it was the product of all of them. What did you do? Hey, look, TypeScript brethren. Oh, I appreciate that, Pizza. Be healthy. I shall be the embodiment of health. Oh, this is probably better way of, no, I mean, it's effectively the same. You still gotta pull and push. Instead of doing all the shifting, yeah, okay, that is way better then. Yeah, it's way better. You just clear it and it pushes only, never shifts. Oh, thanks. That was the optimization I'm definitely missing. But yeah, modulo all the way. And with that, folks, that was relatively good. I definitely thought it wasn't going to be as good with my energy level, but still top K. Eh. Come on, Spectrum. We believe in Spectrum. Yeah, one of my better ones, to be honest. Turned out pretty well. And then modulo math. Yeah, big int. Big int's never the answer. There's a better answer always, folks. Okay, with that, let's go find someone to raid. Share the Sunday love, I suppose, at this point. Oh, okay. Nick One Data Science is on. We were gonna go for them last time. Aside from that suggestion, see if there's anyone else. Yeah, victory. Probably pizza. It's instinct. Yeah, instinct in here with the party. I appreciate that instinct. I'm definitely going off. I can maybe jump in the Discord for a bit, but after that, I'm going to bed. Yay. Came in just as we were on the way out. We finished it. We tried to use Big Int. Big Int was not the thing. It was all about monkeys. We were juggling the monkeys. Okay, cool. Yeah. I can answer that question. We're gonna be off in like a good minute or so. Because actually, great. Coding with Strangers rated us last, so let's go pay back the love. They're messing with Chat GPT, so oh, that's gonna be fun there. Yeah, maybe we keep Pizza away. Don't follow the raid. You're gonna get lost in it, right? The new co-pilot. Again, appreciate the gifted, or not the gifted, the prime sub. Those Bezos bucks there, Pizza. And yeah, thanks for coming on by, Instinct, though we are on our way out. Catch y'all tomorrow.